Brr, uh-oh.
Hollywood, nigga. Nigga know what the fuck it is. FOS.
Uh-oh. And we're back with another reaction video. What up, Hollywood JTV? Y'all know what's going on. We back with another reaction video. And today we're doing one on 19JEFE-SLIME shit. Shot by HB3. HB3 be shooting the most fire videos, I swear. If y'all know, y'all know. Y'all know, y'all know. You hear me? He posted on this certified smackers channel. You hear me? He been putting his whole gang on. He been putting all his people on. Like, you don't see nobody doing that. He the only one doing that. I swear. Putting your people on like that. You don't see nobody really doing it, making a channel for everybody to post music on. You don't see nobody doing that. You hear me? I just did a reaction on I think it was him and two more people. You hear me? I just did one. Y'all make sure y'all go watch that. I don't think it's too much to say. I heard a snippet of it, you hear me? But we gotta listen to the whole song, and yeah, you know how we get down. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. If you ain't new, watch my other videos. Grab you some water. Grab your zebra cake, you know, we're going down, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Do my murder dance, watching this little hoe come slash.
Pop that bitch, Curry.
Free fat, free pole, man. Let me fight this dead ass nigga up, Curry. Free them diamond boys. Know what the fuck going on. Free Valentine. They send my youngin' to the feds. We do exotic drugs. A deuce will walk straight to the head. Still gon' run that V. Even though they want a nigga dead. New face on the.
Oh, Lord. First you say free Valentine. I don't know what that is, but free him. That boy say he's still going that beat. Even though they want him dead. If this ain't the craziest shit I see, I heard this man say he still go on that beat and they want him dead. Let's go back.
Free Valentine. They send my youngin' to the feds. We do exotic drugs. A deuce will walk straight to the head. Still gon' run that V. Even though they want a nigga dead. New face on the T. Fuck everybody what I said. Never gave a fuck about clicking up. My day one's gon' ride. When that smoke can't hit the out. A lot of niggas left me in the blind. Pop a purse that got me paranoid. Let it peeking through the blind. Never got a question chillin' out. I know that bitch gon' slide. Like, what up?
Huh? That bitch say he ain't got a question China 9. Ain't know that gonna slide. Huh? So they got a channel 13. They got a channel 9. I know they brothers. They got a channel 13. They got a channel 9. What channel 12 is? And we need channel 3. I don't know what's the other channels. But, hey, this song going hard right now. Let's go back.
Gon' ride. When that smoke can't hit the out, a lot of niggas left me in the blind. Pop a purse that got me paranoid. Let it peeking through the blind. Never got a question chillin' out. I know that bitch gon' slide. Like, what up? I got soldiers out that movement, tweaking the fuck with something. Run down game, we double C. We won't screen that shit for name. 13 put something in the out. My youngin' fell in love with buttons. Tryna take a bitch to war. They spin once, but they ain't touch me. Do my murder dance, watching this little hoe come slime shit. I can't even post in the bricks, cause the laws hide as a bitch. Still on my robbing shit. And LeBron just took a stick. Better come get that in blood if a nigga took your free Valentine. They send my youngin' to the feds. We do exotic drugs. A deuce will walk straight to the head. Still gon' run that V. Even though they want a nigga dead. New face on the T. Fuck everybody what I said. Free D4, he a hoe, but at least he pulling up. Drop the window.
Hold on. That bus say free D4, he a hole, but at least he pulling up. If this ain't the most realest shit I done heard. If this ain't the most realest shit I done heard. If y'all don't know who D4 is, I think I did a reaction video on D4. Nah, I don't think I did. Free D4 though. Real niggas and shooters. I think this is what we talking about. D4. Real RNAS D4. You heard me if y'all don't know. Free 32. Free all the rest of them shotters. You hear me? Free all the rest of them shooters. You hear me? That boy say free D4 we all, but at least he pulling up. That mean the niggas that they say they real ain't pulling up like that, like D4. They're pulling up, you hear me? And he say D4 a hoe, you hear me? But he pulling up. And he ain't scared to pull up though. He ain't scared to yeah. You hear me? That's a man a real nigga. That's some real nigga activity. You won't hear a nigga saying it because most niggas will be faking. Saying you whoop 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 whoop. Let's get back in the song.
Drugs, a deuce will walk straight to the head. Still gon' roll that V, even though they want a nigga dead. New face on the T, fuck everybody, what I said. Free D4, he a hoe, but at least he pulling up. Drop the one then let 60, the bitch looking like he stuck. I get money, that's a fact. 100 bubs in a truck, that's 100 grand. Did it more than once, that shit ain't luck. In the backfield like a DB, trying to pick some in the field. That killer talk, your favorite rapper rap gon' get his ass killed. Black up in the mirrors and I still ain't chasing deals. Every day this nigga wake up trying to spin without no wheels. New bankroll every day, roll running state to state. Plug love a nigga face, 60 days another place. Police talk.
That boy say plug love a nigga face 60 days. Yeah, another play.
The nigga page, niggas ran that shit a shame. Fool, I did the same thing, but these niggas still gang. Do my murder dance, watching this little hoe come slime shit. Do my murder dance, nigga toe off. Do my murder dance. Do my murder dance, watching this little hoe come slime shit. Do my murder dance, watching this little hoe come slime. Do my murder dance, watching this little hoe come slime. Do my murder dance, do my murder dance, do my murder dance, watching this little hoe come slime. Slide your mans. Certified double C, man. Yeah, free all my numbers. Hold the fuck on. Yeah, holding this shit down.
He got very disrespectful. He got very disrespectful. I'm not gonna lie. He got very disrespectful. But y'all know we gotta rate this video. Whoever shot the video, you know you get a 10. 19JEFE, you get a 10, but you get a 10, man. I ain't gonna lie, this song go hard. I ain't gonna cap, y'all know I fuck with that ratchet, I fuck with that boo, y'all know I'm finna ratchet. You know how I get down. And I ain't gonna fake on nobody music. You get that 10. Most niggas probably hate on you and tell you this shit a 1, but that shit a 10. The beat go hard, you on that bitch go hard, and your people in that bitch turned up, you get a 10, you hear me? I got more videos to do, so I ain't gonna talk that long. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you ain't new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, go watch my other videos. Y'all know my outro, so y'all go ahead and say it. Let me hear you. Okay then, make sure y'all comment under the in the chat down below. My turn. And we out. Make sure y'all follow our social medias.